how to show or hide alerts from my phone number in text messages on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the text messaging app. In here, we're going to go back to the messages list and then touch and hold on a phone number. Now, if you want to hide alerts, just from the list, tap on hide alerts. And this will basically mute the text conversation. You can also swipe across to mute or unmute a text conversation. And that is pretty much the same as show alerts or hide alerts. So if you swipe across, it will say mute or unmute. Otherwise, if you touch on a text message, a menu will say that you can hide or show alerts. And that's it. So I'm going to show alerts for this text message. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.